just, quick demos to give y'all some type of idea of what the tweeters sound like. So I'll keep you guys updated once I get these finished, painted, or wrapped, or whatever I'm going to do to them. Haven't decided yet. So I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks.